Welcome to Concept House Hashira, where an unparalleled journey of tranquility awaits, and you may secure your reservation immediately by scanning the QR code on your screen or visiting the booking link in the description below. Nestled away from the frantic pace of modern life, this boutique sanctuary offers a refined escape designed for those who seek the profound luxury of stillness and the warmth of genuine connection. As you step through our doors, the atmosphere immediately shifts, enveloping you in an aura of sophisticated calm. Concept House Hashira is not merely a place to stay, but a curated experience centered around the elemental beauty of the hearth. Our design philosophy marries modern elegance with the primal comfort of a crackling fire, creating an environment where time seems to slow, allowing you to rediscover the art of relaxation. Every corner of this exquisite residence has been thoughtfully composed to provide an intimate atmosphere, perfect for contemplative solitude or shared moments of quiet joy. The accommodations are a masterclass in understated luxury. Each space is adorned with premium textures and a palette of soothing tones, ensuring that your surroundings are as restful as they are beautiful. Whether you are unwinding in the soft glow of the evening light or enjoying the seamless connectivity of our high-speed, complimentary Wi-Fi, every detail has been perfected to meet the highest standards of contemporary comfort. Imagine spending your afternoons immersed in a book by the warmth of the fire, or your evenings sharing fine wine and deep conversation in a setting that feels both grand and profoundly personal. At Concept House Hashira, we believe that true luxury lies in the ability to disconnect from the noise and reconnect with oneself. Our commitment to excellence ensures that your stay is characterized by privacy, grace, and an intuitive sense of hospitality that anticipates your every need. This is more than a destination. It is a sanctuary for the soul, a place where the concept of home is elevated to an art form. We invite you to experience this exquisite retreat for yourself and allow us to host your next chapter of serenity. To begin your journey toward total relaxation, please scan the QR code appearing now or refer to the link in the description to finalize your booking.